It's your girl Hetty Amens.
Hi, what's up? It's your girl Hetty Amens of Hetty's Beauty Parlor. You know what it is. So yes, thank you for coming back to watch my new video. For my new subscribers, thank you. You are most definitely welcome. And for my old service, what do I say? Thank you for always coming back for more. So today I came to you with another makeup tutorial. Yay! Okay, so like I'm feeling myself already. I came to you with a full glam makeup tutorial. Okay, if you want to know how I achieve this look, keep watching this video. All the product that I use will be listed in this video and be written in the description box. Write to me, like this video if you do like it. Like, I'm feeling myself with my frontal, like, guys, I'm feeling myself, and I'm blinging. Okay, so enough of everything. Let's get to this video, and then you know how I achieve this flawless full face beats. So you guys keep watching. Thank you, and then don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? You are missing out a whole lot. Okay, so you can follow me on Instagram at Hetty Amens, and then on Facebook at Hetty's Beauty Parlor. You know what it is, so let's get started. Mwah! Hi, so welcome back to my channel. So if you want to know how I did my brows, there is a link in the description box. You can click to know how I did my brows. Very simple and then very natural. Okay, so I'm now setting my lids with concealer by Makeup Revolution in C12, and then setting it with Sasha Buttercup translucent powder. So as my transition color, I'm using Mini Masquerade by Juvia's, and then a transition in the shade Other to do my transitioning color. So I further deepen it with the same shade Other to have bright and very popping transition shade. Okay, so now to deepen my crease, I go in with the shade Zulu from the same palette by Juvia's, the Mini Masquerade, to deepen my crease the more. Okay, so in order to highlight my brow bone area, I'm using the same palette and then in the shade Giza to highlight my brow bone, and then I'll go back to blend with my blending brush. Okay, so to cut my crease, I'm using the same Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade, this time in the shade C12 this time, sorry, to cut my crease. And then we set it with the same Sasha translucent powder to mattify it, and then we will go on with our eyelid colors. So I'm taking eyelid color or shade Giza from the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's. So that is what we're going to use, our first inner tier or inner lid shade. Okay, so that is our first lid shade, is in the shade Giza. So I'm just following the pattern of the cut, and then I'll go and blend in the outer shade with the same blending brush I used in my transition. So now going back to our second shade onto our lids, I'm using the color or the shade Zola in the same Juvia's Mini Masquerade palette. So I'm using that to put in my center. Is it the center of my lid? So I did that for both shades, and I'll now go in with the palette called Astra, and then take the darkest or the black shade to deepen the corners of my eyelids. And now we are done. Very simple, but hey, you have to go back with your blending brush to blend everything out, so no harsh lines. So when we are done, we go to line our lids. We are using eyeliner by PS Makeup. So PS Makeup I'm using the eyeliner pen or pencil to line my eyes. And we go back with Essence, mascara to, mask our lashes before our fake lashes, girls. Okay, so we fixed our lashes off camera, and then I'm now using Freedom Pro mattifying, face primer to prime my face to avoid excess oil, because I have oil skin, especially on my face. So we do that before our foundation. So I'm using foundation by L'Oreal, and I'm in the shade Deep Cocoa. In the shade Deep Golden. Okay, so I love this foundation so much. It covers almost all my imperfections. I don't need to color correct, and it mattifies so well. It lasts 24 hours, and I love this. It doesn't crease. It's from medium to full coverage. So to highlight, I'm using Makeup Evolution's newest concealer in town in the shade C13, and I'll also go in with a little bit of C12, to pimp things more. So this look is full face glam. So we are going all out. So this is the shade C12 that I'm using to pimp up a little bit our highlighter. So you blend everything out with a brush, or you can use your booty blender. So just watch how I'm blending everything, and you can do yours effortlessly. Okay, so if you are watching this video and you're still not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? You are missing out a whole lot. On my channel, it's a whole lot of fun. Just subscribe. It's your girl Hetty. Amen. You know what it is. Okay, so let's contour, and then I'm using PS Makeup's contour stick, and this is in the shade Rich Espresso. Yeah, Rich Espresso. So it's a foundation stick, but I use it to contour, and it works so well. It's very handy, lightweight, and it's good for contouring. Okay, so I go in with my brush to blend everything out so it looks natural, blended airbrush look. Okay, so after we blend everything out, you now come back to set our highlighted areas so it doesn't crease. So I'm using Sasha translucent loose powder to set the highlighted areas, and then I'll go in with the same PS Makeup's contour shade, a shade that is darker, which is also called Rich Espresso, to contour and then give myself or my face some warmth. Okay, so I'm also highlighting my jawbone area. Okay, so that is my perfect color in the shade Rich Espresso to contour where I used the stick or the cream contour process. So this makeup is very simple, but hey, I got glammed up at the end of the day, and you can see my frontal is popping in the background. Hey, if you want to know how your girl got her wigs laid, stay tuned. There's going to be a video on how I install my frontals. And if you want to get your wig caps, contact us. Search us on Instagram at Hetty Amens, and then on Facebook at Hetty's Beauty Parlor. You get to know how to get your customized wigs at affordable price. So I'm now going back to reverse contour using the same Sasha translucent powder to reverse contour my jawline so that the contouring side is going to pop. So in order to remove excess powder on my face, I'm using Glossip's Maxi bronzer face face palette or face powder. Yes, that is how it's called, face powder, to take off any excess powder. And then for my blush, this is my secret. I don't have a blush palette personally. I do for my clients, but hey, personally I don't. I use any shade in my eyeshadow palette that is going to match, and then I use that as my blush. So in this case, I use Zulu, the shade Zulu in the Mini Masquerade by Juvia's to do my blush. That is all. Okay, so I wanted this white tears looking, So I'm using LA Girl's white base or white primer to, line my waterline. I just love it. And then going back with the shade under my tear area. Under or lower my lash line. Just don't mind me. I'm getting hyper. So I'm using MAC's sample size mascara. It's called Upward Lash. Using that to, lash out my lower lashes. So for my lips, I'm using Davis Cosmetics lip pencil that I use like always. Search them on Amazon, you can get it. So I line my lips. And then we get our lip cream by PS, and it's in the shade what? It doesn't have shades. No, it doesn't have a shade. But hey, what I see here, it says PS7427. No, it doesn't have a shade, so I'm taking the lighter version of the same PS lip cream. Like, they look like so. They didn't come with names because, I don't know. This is how they look. And then I will dab and dab and dab and blend everything out. So I go back with the same lip pencil, to contour even more. And we go back to the fun part. And this is where I love. I'm using the same PS makeup, their glow palettes to highlight my inner tear dots, my brow bone area, my bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, my cheeks. Oh my god. I had fun with this glow. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Like, excuse me. You can see that glow? Let's pop a bit on our nose. Check it out. Oh my god! So this glow palette, switched my look from 0 to 100. You can see this highlight. Like, a little bit goes a long way. So, guys, if you want to have a good highlighting palette, contact me and I will get you hooked. Oh my god, I love this. Like, I got crazy with this highlighter. So we are done, and I'm setting my face as usual with Makeup Revolution fixing spray, and voila, we're looking sassy. Check out my frontal though. Oh my god, you see the eyes? Sassy. Hey, so thank you for watching my video. For my new subscribers, thank you. We are now growing. If you want to follow me, follow me on Instagram at Hetty Amens, and then on Facebook at Hetty's Beauty Parlor. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe because there are more and more updates on this channel. Oh my god. You know what it is. It's your girl Hetty Amens. See you guys in my next video.